really loved my old truck. Had her 20 years. Drove a lot of miles, and we shed a lot of tears. I always fixed her up, but one day she couldn't start, so I had to put her down, and it truly broke my heart. So now I bought a brand new truck, and things are not the same. That engine's so darn complicated, I can't fix a thing. Sensors, cameras everywhere, it even drives itself. So damn independent, doesn't need my help. And I don't think I like it very much, though some folks I'm sure will disagree. And I used to talk to my old truck a lot, but this one, it talks to me. It tells me if my seatbelt's on, tells me where to go, tells me if I drive too fast or if I drive too slow. And if I'm drifting from my lane, it beeps incessantly. It hits the brakes if I get too close, and even parks for me. And I don't think I like it very much. This new technology is getting kind of old, 'cause my old truck was my castle, but now this king is losing his control. I guess that I'll get used to it, but I don't really know, 'cause cars are getting smarter, so how far will they go? If cars don't like the way we drive or songs we like to play, are they gonna start their engines, say goodbye and drive away? Are they gonna start their engines, say goodbye and drive away? You know, I really want my old truck back. I do.